Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We apply the formula in here. So capital A, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. So we can put the limit goal here. So we have the second formula in here. So f and this is about 8. This one that is about b. Well, now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. So this one that is about A, this one that is about B. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, we can transform this one into this one. Because this one, if we put go back in here, they will return back to this one. Now let's consider about the limit of this one and this one. So for the first one, we see that when s approaches to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. Similar for this one, because we have positive infinity over positive infinity, we can use about L'Hospital. That means we can do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for this one we have 1 over s. This one we have number 1. So we can simplify 1 over s. And we know that when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got 0. Now let's go to the second one. Now we need to divide by s on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1, number 1. So we know that this limit for this one in here, we just calculate in here, and that is about number 0 when s approaches to positive infinity. So we have Ln number 1, and that is about number 0. So now we can return back to the first one in here. So this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0. That means we have 0 over 0. So we can use about F hospital in here. That means we need to do first derivative, this one and this one. So if you try to do first derivative of this one, that should be like this. This one we can apply the quotient rule, and that is about lnx with first derivative minus first derivative of x multiplied by lnx over s squared. This one we have like this. So we keep same this one going here. Later that we do first derivative in here. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. This one we have 1 over s. This one we have number 1. So this one we have number 1 in here. So we simplify s and we have number 1. And now we can apply the quotient rule in here. So we do first derivative of x multiplied by s plus lnx minus first derivative of s plus lnx in here. Over s plus lnx, everything to the power of 2. So this one we have number 1. This one we have 1 plus 1 over s. And then this one we have s minus number 1. Oh sorry, positive number 1. Now s minus s we cancel. Now we just have lnx plus minus number 1, sorry. Now we need to simplify s plus lnx for on numerator and denominator. So this one we can put like this. Next, we can do common denominator by s squared and s plus lnx. This one it is missing about s plus lnx. So this one we multiply by s plus lnx on numerator and denominator. This one we need to multiply by s. Now we need to combine two fractions in here. Now we need to expand this one. So this one, this one and this one, they cancel. S minus s, they cancel. Next, we need to simplify 1 over s squared, 1 over s squared, and I will put negative going here. and negative will change the sign of this one. Next, we can do about factorization by f(n)x. Next, we divide by x on numerator and denominator. So this one, we have 1 plus f(n)x over x. So we know that this one we have number 0, this one we have number 0. However, we have number 1 plus number 0. When s approaches to positive infinity, this one we have number 1, while this one you got number 0. So the value of this one equals to number 0. So now we return back to the first one in here. So this one we calculate and we have number 0. So we have e to the power of number 0, and that is about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.